What's up, kinfolk? Today we're making cream cheese rangoons. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need wonton wrappers, green onion, cream cheese, powdered sugar, salt, and garlic powder. Begin by thinly slicing a 4 cups of green onion. For the filling, combine an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, a half cup of powdered sugar, a 4 cups of green onion, a half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. For the binder, we're gonna make a cornstarch slurry, which is equal parts cornstarch and water. However, you can simply use water as a binder. Brush the edges of the wrapper with the slurry. Add about 1.5 teaspoons of cream cheese filling. Now there's multiple ways to fold them, but let's not make a simple recipe complicated. Fold them in half to form a triangle and pinch the edges together to seal. Preheat your oil until it reaches 350 degrees and fry for 2 to 3 minutes or until they're golden and crispy. And there you have it, cream cheese rangoons. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.